you get your water?
No.
Really?
No.
Why did you get water?
I drank a bunch before I left.
Left what?
The goose.
Yeah?
Do they even know that its name is Goose?
Probably.
Its name is Goose.
Yeah.
This
And there's also a
is-
really cool bridge
This
right
is
here.
an amazing bridge.
But you get to look at my face instead.
It has a cool name, but I don't remember what it is.
Big Gray Bridge.
No.
You want to do?
Can we walk this way and check it out? Cream. That is not pistachio ice cream.
Isn't it
Stay
wasabi?
away. Yeah, it's wasabi. Kudos to anyone in the comments who knows that. I was like picturing it and I was like, oh my god, if it's only mirrors, like that's gonna light up. And then I was like, oh, that makes so much sense.
We're gonna have Casa de Diaz.
Quesadillas.
Casa de Diaz.
In my casa, we make quesadillas.
You are a bridge?
No, this bridge and I are the same age.